Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom standard 11th subject English. Today in this virtual lecture we are studying appreciation and poetic devices of the very first poem from second section titled as Cherry Tree written by Ruskin Bond. Students, let me make you remember that we have studied part 1 and part 2 of the same poem, where we have studied icebreakers, activities, and vocabulary, and also the stanza wise summary of the poem. Now, this is final third lecture of the same poem where we are learning poetic devices and appreciation of the poem. Okay, now let's study the figures of speech of this poem. The use of alliteration, antithesis, climax, and personification heightened beauty of the poem. You also know that figurative language enriches the beauty of the poem and make rich in its content. So, the first figure of speech is alliteration. What is alliteration? Alliteration means where consonant sounds are repeated for poetic effects. For example, its arm in a fresh fierce lust. Here, the consonant sound F is repeated for poetic effect. Let's study the next example. Made a miracle from green growing. Here, the consonant sound G is repeated for poetic effect. Next line is shriveled the slender stem. Here, the consonant sound S is repeated for poetic effect. And let's try to study carefully the next line also. Spent a season in Kashmir. Here, the consonant sound S is repeated for poetic effect. So, it is really very much easy to find out the figure of speech like alliteration, where consonant sounds are repeated for poetic effect. Okay, the next figure of speech is antithesis. What is antithesis? Antithesis means opposite ideas are used together. So, wherever you have opposite ideas or words arranged in lines, at that time, remember the figure of speech is antithesis. Let's study some example based on antithesis of the poem Cherry Tree. First example, but cherries have a way of growing, though no one's caring very much or knowing. Here, opposite ideas of growing without caring is seen in the lines. Next example is, it was very small, 5 months child, lost in the tall grass running wild. Two opposite ideas are presented here. Small and tall are expressed. The next figure of speech is climax. What is climax? Climax means where words, phrases, lines are arranged in ascending order. For example, words pink, fragile, quick to fall are arranged in ascending order. Next figure of speech is personification. Let's try to understand what personification means. Personification means human qualities are attributed to non human or inanimate objects. Let's study some examples. A tree had come to stay. Here, a tree is given the human quality of coming and staying, or tree is personified. Next example is its arm in a fresh fierce lust. A tree is described as having arms like human beings. Trees' arms are personified. Sleepiest breeze. Breeze is given human quality of being sleepy, or breeze is personified. Now we are going to study the important question based on appreciation. And the question is, write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points. About the poem, poet, and title, theme or summary or gist of the poem, poetic style, language, poetic devices used in the poem, special features, novelties, focusing elements, etc. Message or values or morals in the poem, and your opinion about the poem. So, here in front of you on the slides, you have the appreciation of the poem point wise. About the poem, poet, and title. Cherry Tree is a beautiful poem written by Ruskin Bond. It is a narrative poem describing the everyday struggle of a plant to grow and blossom. It is about the poet's ecstasy over a tree which he planted and took 8 years to grow. He is expressing his wonder at the way of nature and how the cherry blossoms are fragile and quick to fall. The tree gives him immense joy as he can see the stars and the blue sky through dappled green trees. The poet Ruskin Bond is a nature lover and belongs to India. His life in the beautiful hills of Mussoorie has provided setting for books and poems. He considered himself richer having a cherry tree at his door. He felt proud for planting his own tree. Title of the poem is related to the central character that is cherry tree whose journey from planting to upward growth to blossomed tree is given. Theme or summary of the poem. It has the theme of struggle, then resilience, dedication, conflict, growth, responsibility, and pride. The poet planted a cherry seed which grew into a full blossomed tree after a wait of 8 years. The poem is all about this wonderful experience and survival instinct of the tree, such as bees, moon moths, cricket, and the poet. The time that is the seasons, the rain helped the tree grow, and the poet watched this patiently without much to do. The poem is about the poet's sense of achievement and pride of having nurtured a tree. Poetic style, language, or poetic devices used in the poem. The poet's tone is optimistic, full of wonder for the nature. He focuses on the growing aspects of nature. The poem has a beginning, middle, and an end. It's a simple poem about the poet's innocent and pure joy. All the incidents are in nice sequence. The style and language of the poem is simple. Poetic devices such as alliteration, antithesis, climax, personification are used by the poet, which add musical effects. It has a rhyme scheme AABBCCDDEEFF. The important aspect of this poem is its picaresque depiction and colorful imagery. The whole process of a seed turning into a plant is being made appealing to the readers with colorful and vivid description. The focus of the poem is on nature and its elements. The references of seasons, the sky, animals, birds, insects focus on the wonders of nature. Special features, novelties, or focusing elements. The poem advises the planting of trees. The poet underlines the importance of trees in human life. The poem is interesting to read. It is a story like it keeps the reader engaged. message or values or morals in the poem. The poem gives a message of nature conservation, tree plantation, and its importance. The cherry tree is indeed a giving tree. It also speaks about the tree's determination to grow despite all odds. Your opinion about the poem. I like the poem for its positive, optimistic tone. It encourages us to overcome the obstacles, hardships we may face in life and become resilient like the cherry tree. Okay, now, students, thus today we have studied beautiful poem Cherry Tree written by Ruskin Bond. Now, check the description box for the links of earlier videos for better understanding. Now we will meet in the next video with new information. Thank you.